Experience success with FPT University. As a university embedded within an enterprise and part of FPT Corporation, FPT University follows a practical, industry-driven training model. It provides students with a comprehensive learning experience across various fields, including information technology, business administration, communication technology, law, and languages. At FPT University, students gain both academic knowledge and essential skills for the job market, with over 98% securing employment after graduation. Pioneering the integration of diverse experiences into education, FPT University takes pride in providing students with a multi-experiential learning environment built on 3 pillars: technology, international exposure, and entrepreneurship. The university consistently delivers a high-quality workforce, equipping graduates with specialized knowledge, soft skills, technological mindset, and a professional attitude, ensuring their readiness for the job market. Technology experience. With the strong support of FPT Corporation, students at FPT University are pioneers in accessing and applying technology in both their studies and daily activities. Modern functional rooms, competitions, real-world projects, and workshops provide students with exposure to the latest technologies, enabling them to effectively integrate IT and artificial intelligence, AI, into their learning. Developing the ability to adapt to and apply new technologies is a key skill for solving future challenges in both work and life. FPT University actively integrates IT and AI into its curriculum and student support activities, combining online and on-campus learning for a fully digitalized education experience. The university organizes competitions, workshops, and technology-focused events, allowing students to apply their knowledge in practice, showcase their abilities, and achieve outstanding accomplishments. This approach fosters a technology-driven mindset, preparing students to be leaders in the digital era. International experience. FPT University collaborates with thousands of international educational partners, offering students opportunities such as overseas English programs, exchange semesters, and international on-the-job training (OJT). With these experiences, students are always prepared to enter the global stage, connect with international friends, and expand their horizons. Additionally, cultural exchange events, scientific seminars, volunteer programs, and international forums provide students with a multicultural learning environment, enhancing their foreign language proficiency, confidence, and global networking skills, while opening doors to international career opportunities. From the first year, students undergo English training with 6 levels of study before progressing to their major courses. FPT University's entire curriculum is delivered in English, helping students familiarize themselves with international terminologies. Additionally, students are required to learn a second foreign language, Japanese, Chinese, or Korean, with fluency in at least 2 foreign languages. Graduates gain a competitive edge in the global job market. Students are encouraged to participate in at least one overseas experience during their studies, including English study abroad programs, student exchange, international semesters, volunteer projects, international student forums, scientific seminars, and OJT abroad, all at an affordable cost. These experiences immerse students in multicultural environments, honing their teamwork, communication, and language skills, as well as fostering adaptability and a global mindset. As a result, FPT University graduates are fully equipped with the confidence and skills to study and work abroad. Entrepreneurship experience. With a network of thousands of domestic and international enterprises, FPT University acts as a bridge between students and businesses, providing students with early exposure to real-world working environments and a curriculum tailored to industry demands. Students engage in a blended learning approach, combining classroom knowledge with hands-on experiences, including company visits, guest lectures from industry experts, practical training, and annual job fairs. By their 3rd year, 100% of students participate in on-the-job training, OJT, at enterprises, allowing them to connect with professionals, gain industry insights, and develop workplace skills. Many FPT University alumni have successfully secured job offers immediately after OJT, confidently stepping into careers they are passionate about. Entrepreneurship is a core subject at FPT University. Students work in teams to develop startup projects, with high-potential ventures receiving funding support of up to 50 million VND from the university. Through this entrepreneurial journey, students gain practical business knowledge, understand corporate operations, and cultivate an entrepreneurial mindset. Additionally, students are encouraged to participate in competitions, business forums, and workshops in fields such as business, communication, languages, and law, enabling them to apply their knowledge in real-world scenarios, engage with industry experts, enhance their graduation projects, strengthen their CVs, and expand their career opportunities. Comprehensive skill development. Students at FPT University participate in a variety of personal development programs, including orientation courses, soft skills training, and holistic development initiatives that cover professional expertise, interpersonal skills, mental well-being, and physical health. Beyond academics, students can pursue their passions through over 30 clubs across different fields, such as academics, arts, sports, and event organizing. They also engage in team-building activities, community service projects, and music events, where they have the chance to meet their idols. Despite studying in a modern, technology-driven environment, FPT University students remain connected to their cultural roots through iconic Vietnamese symbols like lotus ponds and dong sun drums. They also take part in traditional martial arts, Vo Vinam, and folk music instrument classes, ensuring that wherever they go in the world, they carry with them a deep sense of Vietnamese identity and cultural pride. With diverse experiences in technology, international exposure, entrepreneurship, and personal development, FPT University students gain not only specialized knowledge, but also critical skills. They develop a technological mindset, self-expression, respect for individuality, adaptability, continuous learning, and innovation. More importantly, they grow into individuals who take responsibility for themselves, their families, and society.